So we're getting ready for Millie's wedding. Yay! Millie, what do you have to say on your big day?
I'm really excited. I know Cade is really nervous. But it's going to be okay because I'm going to be excited for him.
So excited for our bestie. Okay, we'll go back to y'all later.
You going to walk up and tap him? Okay.
What you think?
You look beautiful, yeah.
Is this what you thought my dress would look like?
No, I figured you'd have sleeves.
No, I'm not having sleeves in September.
Thank you.
The belt fits too, yeah. I was wearing
that
it.
made it fit.
You like
you look
it?
stellar, honey. You look amazing.
Thank you. You ain't gonna cry though.
I'm fighting there right now. But you look amazing.
Oh, thank you so much.
Inasmuch as you have expressed a desire to be united in marriage, I'm going to ask you to take a vow that is made not only in the presence of your family and friends, but also, and most importantly, in the presence of God.
Okay, we are, how many minutes is it?
We got an hour and 20 minutes.
T-minus hour and 20 minutes until the bride walks out. How are we feeling?
Ready.
Ready? We're ready?
Yeah.
Everybody's got their game face on? We're ready. Catch y'all back in a minute.
Father, we thank you so much that you have brought this young man and this beautiful young woman together as husband and wife. Lord, I pray that their lives will be fruitful and will be impactful in your kingdom's work. Father, wrap your loving arms around them, guide them, strengthen them, protect them, and along with their family and their friends, we will constantly pray for them, encourage them, and Lord, we thank you that we can aid them in this journey together as husband and wife. One of the most beautiful expressions of love and loyalty ever penned was first spoken by Ruth when she said, "Entreat me not to leave thee, or to return from following after thee. For whither thou goest, I will go, and where thou lodgest, I will lodge. Thy people shall be my people, and thy God, my God. Where thou diest will I die, and there will I be buried. The Lord do so to me, and more also, if aught but death part thee and me."